In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office in Asana. Hi everyone! If you're stepping away from work, adding an out of office note in Asana helps your teammates understand your availability without sending extra messages. This isn't an email auto reply. Instead, it's a visible note on your profile that sets expectations about when you'll be back and how to reach you if something's urgent. Start by logging into your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. The settings we're using are easiest to access on the web interface. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile photo. If you don't have a photo uploaded, you'll see your initials in a small circle. Click that. In the menu that appears, select My Settings. This opens a settings panel where you can customize details about your account. On the left side of that panel, click Profile. The Profile section is where you control what others see about you, including your out-of-office message. Now scroll down until you find the About Me section. This is where we'll add your out-of-office note. In the text field, type a clear, concise message with the essential details. A helpful format is to include your away dates, your planned return date or time, and any guidance for urgent issues. For example, you might say, "Out of office from March 12th through March 18th. I'll be back online on March 19th at 9 a.m. If something is urgent, please contact the project owner or post in the team channel." If your team works across time zones, consider adding your time zone so people know exactly when to expect you back. Keep your tone professional and brief. The goal is to help teammates make quick decisions without guessing about your availability. You can also mention major projects you're pausing and when you plan to catch up on messages, but avoid including sensitive information or personal contact details. When you're happy with your message, simply close the Settings panel. Asana saves changes automatically, so you don't need to click a separate Save button. After closing, your note is now part of your profile, making it easy for collaborators to see your status while you're away. When you return, you can come back to the same About Me area and update or remove the message to reflect that you're available again. And that's it. Quick, clear, and helpful for your whole team. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.